have the overnight fat burning miracle drink follow-up video. So this is going to be the follow-up video to my viral video from last year. This recipe is going to be so much better, so much more effective, and most importantly, it is going to taste amazing because I got some pretty bad comments on the last recipe. I know it didn't taste the best, so I've been working on a top secret recipe that I'm going to share with you guys in today's video because I know it was recently the holidays. It's I think January 12th as of the night of filming this right now. And I know if you're like me, you had a lot of unhealthy food. You probably binged on a whole bunch of holiday treats. And the best way to burn fat really fast, boost that metabolism, detox your body, is gonna be an overnight cleansing drink that's gonna speed up that metabolism, help you burn more calories, and most importantly, you are gonna feel amazing. So our liver is our main detox organ, and detox occurs when we are asleep. So this is when the body actually rebuilds and regenerates its tissues, and this drink, I want you guys to drink this every single night about an hour to an hour and a half before you go to bed for the next 7 days, and it's gonna have the following 4 main benefits. So number 1, it's gonna give you a really healthy metabolism. You're gonna feel a lot more energetic, you're gonna burn more calories, and it's gonna be optimal when you start any type of fat loss diet. Number 2 is, like I just said, you will burn more fat. So obviously having better nutrient absorption, the metabolism is firing off, you're burning more calories. That means any diet that you start, your body's gonna absorb those good nutrients better and you're gonna burn more fat. Number 3, your energy is gonna be off the chain. If you're feeling a little bit sluggish for the first couple weeks of January, I can guarantee you that you have a lot of toxins in your body. That's the whole point of detoxing, is so you don't have these toxins basically running rampant in your body, which is gonna make you lethargic. It's gonna make losing the whole process of losing weight and burning fat is gonna go a lot slower. And you're just not gonna feel energetic to hit the gym and work out. And then number 4, I think I've touched on this already, but boosting nutrient absorption is so underrated. It's really not talked about, but it's a huge X factor when it comes to losing weight because like I said, you want your body to operate like a machine. You want that metabolism churning around the clock. You want to burn more calories and you want to feel amazing. So those are the 4 main benefits. Let's get into the overnight drink. I'm gonna power right into this. I'm going to bed in about an hour and a half. So this is actually day 1 of me doing the 7-day detox drink. So I am going to just kind of go through these ingredients. I'm not gonna get into a ton of the benefits. I'm gonna get into real quickly the benefit of each individual ingredient, but I challenge you to kind of research on your own. And the synergistic effect of these ingredients is gonna be absolutely incredible. So number 1, 3 tablespoons of aloe vera juice. So I just bought this big jug of aloe vera juice at Trader Joe's, and aloe vera juice is incredible for boosting the immune system, detoxing your body, really good for digestive health as well. So right here, fairly cheap. Recommends to drink 2 to 8 ounces a day on the back. We're gonna put in 3 tablespoons in the drink. Now the other part of the liquid is you could do water, but I actually made, since ginger is one of the ingredients in here, what I did is I made a ginger tea to comprise the other half of the liquid part. So I want you guys to brew up a cup of ginger tea, let it steep for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna toss this tea bag to the side, and I did about a half a cup of pretty strong ginger tea, and then that should be good for the liquid part of the drink. Now, next up, and by the way, ginger is awesome for digestion and also removing toxins from the body. Now, lemon is very alkaline, very detoxifying. I'm sure you guys have seen lemon in a lot of different recipes like this. So we're gonna do the juice of 1/2 lemon. Actually, it's about a 1/4 lemon. So you guys do anywhere between like 1/4 and a half lemon. I drink a lot of lemon water throughout the day, so I don't need as much. I don't want to OD on lemon. I don't know if that's such a thing, but I guess it could be a little acidic on the body. Next up is 2 of the solid foods we're actually adding to this, but we're not gonna add too much because we want it to be easy to drink. A small handful of cucumbers. So I always, cucumber is so healthy for you. It's gonna make your skin look a lot younger. It's a very hydrating, is it a fruit? It's a fruit, I think. No, a vegetable? I don't know what the hell it is. Is it a fruit or a vegetable? I really don't know. Let me know in the comments below. I feel dumb not knowing this, but I do know it's one of the world's healthiest foods. So eat your cucumber daily. Next up, we are going to do a small handful of pineapple. Now, pineapple is loaded with bromelain. It's awesome for digestive health, and it's incredible for removing toxins from the body, and it's gonna make this taste really good. So pineapple obviously has a nice sweet taste. So let me do a quick recap. We did the 3 tablespoons of the aloe vera juice. We did the half cup of ginger tea. What else did we do here? We did the cucumber, we did the pineapple, we did the juice of a quarter lemon. And now, I almost forgot a very important ingredient. We are going to do okay, here we go. So organic cinnamon. Cinnamon is an incredible antioxidant and it's great for metabolism. So we're gonna do a little bit of fresh organic cinnamon. And this is optional if you guys are training really intensely, you're trying to lose weight, you're exercising a lot. A tiny bit of Himalayan pink salt. It's actually really good to replenish healthy sodium levels after training intensely. I'm not gonna put it in mine because I have it in my meals throughout the day. But that is the fat burning miracle drink. Now, a few little things that you could do is you could add a little bit of ice if you wanted to. You could add a little bit of almond milk or coconut milk if you want a creamy texture. I'm gonna leave it like this just so it's the healthiest possible and it contains 0 processed ingredients. So let me blend this up, give it a try, and share with you guys the final result. Here is the final result. Now, let's see how it tastes. So, I know the last one was pretty bad, so I guess I'm supposed to put this on. This is the magic bullet, by the way. And let's give this a try. And actually, it's pretty neutral. It doesn't have a strong taste of anything. It's really easy to drink. It really doesn't taste like any of the one ingredients. It's just a very subtle taste. So I think you guys are gonna enjoy it. I know it tastes so much better than the last one, and I don't know. We'll give it to the camera lady. We'll see if she likes it. Camera lady likes it. She won't give it back.
It doesn't taste anything.
So it doesn't taste like anything. It tastes like the air. So if you like how air tastes, you're gonna love this. But all kidding aside, it's so easy to drink. No, I'm just kidding. So it's really good. It has just so many benefits. I'm gonna try to include some graphics just so I can really get you guys to buy in and try this drink. But what I want you guys to do is take action. Do this little recipe an hour to an hour and a half before you go to bed every single night for the next week, and then I'll do a follow-up video maybe in like 7 or 8 days, and I'll tell you specifically the benefits of how I feel from drinking this every single night before I go to bed, and I want you guys to do the same. So let's do this together. I'll start the challenge maybe, we'll say like Wednesday, I don't know what date it is, January 14th or 15th, one of those days. But I'll do the follow-up video on January 22nd to 24th range, and I'll let you guys know how I'm feeling from doing this 7 days in a row. So thank you guys so much for watching. I got a lot more videos in store for you soon, and I will see you on the next video.